Paano mag-analyze ng mga parabola? Sagutan natin ito. Kapag ang vertex ay nasa point of origin, meron tayong dalawang set ng formula ng parabola na x squared is equal to 4py at y squared is equal to 4px. Now, ang modification ng ating parabola would be dun sa vertex natin kasi ang vertex natin ay hindi na 0, 0, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng bagong set of formula na x minus h squared equal to 4p y minus k at y minus k squared is equal to 4p and x minus h. Notice na yung ating h and k ay hindi na nasa 0, 0 at ito ay mag-move na around the x and the y axis. So, umpisahan natin sa pagkuha at pagsagot ng parabola tulad nito. So, kailangan daw natin kunin yung equation ng parabola given the vertex and the focus at ang una natin gagawin ay i-sketch ang graph ng ating parabola. So, to sketch the graph, alam natin na yung ang vertex natin ay negative 2, 6, negative 2, and 6. So, ito ngayon yung ating vertex. At isa pang information na meron tayo ay ang focus at negative 2, 8, negative 2, 6, 7, 8. With this information, alam natin yung ating parabola ay opening upwards. At ang directrix natin would be here, which is at 4 or y is equal to 4. So from here, alam natin ang ating vertex ay at hk, which is negative 2, 6. And using our formula na parabola opening upward, kailangan lang nating i-replace si h at si k at kunin ang value ng p. And from here, hanapin natin yung value ng ating p, which is the distance ng ating focus at ang ating vertex, which is 2 units. Plugging in our values of h, k, and p, and simplifying our equation, at ito ang tinatawag nating standard equation ng ating parabola. Now, kunin naman natin yung equation ng parabola given the directrix and focus. Sketch natin yung ating graph. X is equal to 9. At ito yung ating directrix, which is a vertical line at x is equal to 9. Focus is at 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. So, ito yung 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito si 5 at andito. At ang focus natin nasa 3, 5 at alam natin na ang midpoint ng focus at directrix ay ang ating vertex, which is at x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. And from here, alam natin ang ating parabola ay opening to the left. Gagamitin natin yung ating y minus k squared formula at alam natin ang ating vertex will decide our h and k. Hahanapin natin ang value ng p, which is yung distance ng focus sa vertex. So ang p natin ay equal to 3. Notice na ang ating p ay negative 3 dahil ang ating parabola ay opening to the left. At ito ngayon yung standard equation ng ating parabola. Sa pagsulat ng standard equation ng parabola, isketch muna natin yung ating parabola given the information para makuha natin yung tamang signs ng ating mga p. This is Dr. E and see you again next time. Bye!